bersyukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Anil Antony ubadai pet yang BJP haga jela Meghalaya bat Nagaland haga sni palai jong katayo ulai Ïakynduh yung menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad konggol Sangma hanong ba Shillong. Kini gede kesin ke baar ke bau Antony ulawan yuk kejat hanong ba Shillong haga bau ulai keren yiki kam ki bere bat ke NDA bat ban lumru yiki jing ai jingmut jong kinong yalam ke seng NPP. Ulang bayi kini barok kijing ajing mut ansa pentip syuki nong yalam bahak klik do ki bahadin kata ansarai ban shim yiki boj nagabenta ke election ke banwan. Antony ula penparu yiki jing angnot jang ke BJP ban pentikna ba ke parti kan Kiew hagani ke jela Meghalaya bat ke jing etrelang ke NDA kan ne scam. Ula pentikna ru ba ke seng kan pai kmat ban yada nagabenta ke jing mento jong ki pajba bat ban yai syakri nagabenta ke jing baha jong ki pajba.
My second visit to Meghalaya after I was selected as a Prabhari by our leadership. So at this moment I am interacting with all our party leaders, our allies also. Today morning I had met our Honorable Chief Minister. We had again discussions on the NDA. All feedback from here will be given to the central leadership and they will take the decisions on our electoral how we will be contesting elections in future. But we will definitely be ensuring that the party will grow here, the NDA will grow here, we will have a stable government and people's interests are best protected.